What's up, guys? So I was going through my iPhone videos today and stumbled upon some of my old Camaro ZL1. Unfortunately, I wasn't really focusing on YouTube at the time, so I missed out on a lot of sweet content with that car. It was a real beast. 650 horsepower, supercharged V8, 10-speed automatic in that supercharger Whine. I do miss it occasionally, but I have a few clips from it that I'm going to put in this video. Just a couple of cold starts and some pulls on, just a couple of little quick pulls on the highway here, that supercharger. Anyway, figured I'd give y'all a chance to enjoy them like I have. Thanks for watching.